Oh, the night is fading fast, and I'm dreaming of the past, as I'm sitting with my darling by my side. She's an old and wrinkled dame, still I love her just the same. As that sunny day she came to be my bride. I think I see her now, with a smile upon her brow, and she vowed that she'd be mine forevermore. I've no land in our pastures wide, still I took her home with pride, to my cottage with roses round the door. Lucky parted did I toil, and I found that grateful soil gave me back for my work 100-fold. If I'd enough and I could spare for the poor a tiny share, then I'd envy not the planter and his own. But we had to bear a great resignation brought relief. It was hard until the bitterness was o'er, for we both were sorely tried when our little darling died in that cottage with the roses round the door. We will simply journey on, though